RAM upgrade, and deep cleaning on HP 14's laptop. Thank you, Sir Kyle, for trusting PNY Solutions. Having your laptop deep cleaned at a trusted repair shop is highly recommended. Professional technicians can thoroughly clean the internal components, removing dust and debris that can cause overheating and reduce performance. This includes cleaning the fans, heat sinks, and vents, which helps maintain optimal cooling efficiency. Additionally, a deep clean can extend the lifespan of your laptop by preventing hardware issues caused by dust to come. Trusting professionals ensures that the cleaning is done safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of damage to delicate components. Upgrading the RAM in your computer is a smart move, particularly when you're done by a professional repair shop. Increased RAM improves multitasking capabilities, allowing for smoother performance when running multiple applications simultaneously. It enhances system responsiveness and reduces lag, especially in resource-intensive tasks such as video editing, gaming, and large spreadsheet operations. Professional installation ensures compatibility with your system properly. Installation and configuration for optimal performance. RAM upgrade and deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your RAM upgrade too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.